Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the Science of Music. Today we will start filling out our engineering design method template example so that you can complete the section of asking a question. You know you got it when you don't need to reference this video because you will be able to complete the ask a question portion. Today's materials, you will need your engineering design method template from Class Dojo, or if you would like to have a hard copy, you can print it and fill it out with pencil and paper. So let's get started. Right now we are open to our engineering design method template. The first thing you will do is you will click here and you will insert your name. Then you will fill out what instrument we are doing. For our example tutorial, we will be using a guitar. You will fill out teacher and you will write the date. Our first step is ask a question. But what does that mean? These are some types of different questions that we can ask. We can ask who, asking about a person or the subject of a sentence. We can ask where, as in what place or position. We can ask when, asking about time, occasion, moment. We can ask why, asking for reason, explanation. We can ask what, asking for specific things and objects. We can ask how, asking for many, manners, or forms. We can ask how often, about frequency. How many, asking about quantity. And which, asking about choices. When we're filling out our engineering design method template, we're not really going to ask who, and we're not really going to ask when, because we know that there are manufacturers that make instruments, and the time that an instrument is made isn't as important as the materials and the process in which it was made. Also, where isn't really that important either, unless we're talking about where we got our materials from. This is the image of a guitar that we will be using. This is an acoustic guitar made by Yamaha. So let's fill out our step 1 of our engineering design method template. So we are going to ask a question. A basic question will be, how is the guitar made? What materials will we need to create a guitar? What is the process for making a guitar? How do we get our materials for making a guitar? How can I make a guitar at home? There are plenty of other questions you can ask. However, these are some basic questions that we will be using as we fill out the rest of our template. Stay tuned for part 2 of this series so we can figure out how we imagine.